My maker journey started 19 years ago when my daughter Samantha was in utero and I built my first dollhouse. 5 years ago, I bought my first lathe, started making mugs. All of that prepared me for this. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This was behind the door. This is what I thought was the hallway. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. Welcome to the new home of the Crafty Weiner workshop. Welcome to Whitehall, Maryland. We are moving out of my basement. I feel like a teenager again, like a 14-year-old. No, I didn't really move out at 14. I was a slacker. I think I moved out at like 23. 24. I'm moving out of my basement in an old paper mill factory that was built in the late 1800s. This place oozes creativity. Everything. It is nasty, naughty. There is just stuff everywhere. And I cannot begin to tell you how excited I am. Ask Adam. Adam, how excited are we?
We are ready. We are excited.
We are going to be here. We are going to be building things. We're going to be making mugs. We're going to get really creative. I'm going to be building all the dream projects I wanted to do that I couldn't do in my 14 by 14 room in my basement. In addition though, we're going to be holding classes on resin art. We're going to be doing clinics. And in the end, it's my plan to turn this into a destination shop. My friends, other makers, we're going to come here, we're going to get creative, we're going to collaborate, and we're just going to have good time doing it. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, because the next couple months we're going to totally rip this place apart and we're going to turn it into my dream shop. And I cannot tell you how happy I am to have you along for the ride. Let's get started.